In this quick Yahoo Mail tutorial, I will show you how to block someone in Yahoo Mail on a computer, Mac, PC and on a mobile phone as well. Currently, Yahoo Mail have 3 available versions to the public: the newest Yahoo Mail, the classic view and the basic mail. And I will show you how to block someone to reduce the spam emails on all the 3 versions, and also how to unblock someone if you change your mind later on, or if you blocked somebody by an accident, right? So that being said, let's get it started, and I will show you how to block an email address starting with the newest Yahoo Mail. So now what you want to do when you want to block somebody on Yahoo Mail, you have to select their email address, okay? And if you want to block more than one email address, you can start blocking in bulk. So you can block more than one. You just have to select all the emails which you'd like to block. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to block just the first email, this one. This is an email I sent to myself from another email platform, just so I can show you how to do that. And after that, I'll show you how to unblock it if you change your mind later on, if you blocked it by accident, right? So to block somebody, mark their email, and now you'll see 3 dots right here above, okay? And you have to select block sender. Okay, and this is the email that I selected. This is the sender. This sender sent me this email address, and if I will press on block, I will block all the future emails, so he can't send me any more emails, and also all the existing emails I have right now in my inbox from this email address will be deleted. Okay, so if I press on block, which I am gonna do right now, this email address has been blocked. He can't send me any more emails, and in this way you reduce the amount of spam you are receiving, okay? And if you change your mind by any chance, if you want to unblock it, you have to go to more and now settings, and now at security and privacy you can find the blocked addresses, okay? And this is the email that I blocked, and if I want to delete that, I will have to press on remove. If by any chance you have the classic view of Yahoo Mail, I'm going right now to show you where to find the same settings. So in the top right, this time you'll find settings. Now select more settings from here, and in the left side select again security and privacy. This is the email that I block. If I want to unblock it, I will find this delete block sender. This is the same interface, and also from here you can block somebody if you will just press on right here on add under blocked addresses, but you will have to type their email manually. So it will be example at I don't know, AOL.com, example at Yahoo.com. You will have to type their email manually. Press on save. I just blocked this email as well. And on the classic view is the same process of blocking somebody. In the same way, you have to select who you want to block. Now it's selected. I will press on the 3 dots, and you'll find here block sender, the same way as the newest email interface. Let's go now to the oldest available version of Yahoo Mail, so I can show you how to block somebody and how to unblock somebody on basic mail as well. Okay, so this is the oldest available version of Yahoo Mail to which we can switch. If you want to switch to the oldest or to the newest, you have to get through all of them. You can't go to a specific version. I just sent myself another email, and now I am on the basic mail interface. This is the oldest version. On this version, I can clearly see a block option. This is the email that I sent right now. And at actions, I have the option to move to a specific folder I created right here. But other options are mark as read, unread, delete, and spam. Maximum you can select mark as spam, but in this way you'll not block their emails. Their emails will still get through your spam folder, but if you block the email address, the emails won't get through, not even in your spam folder. So on the basic mail, I can see a block options, and I think we don't have one, but there is another way. We have to copy the sender email address, which is this one at the top. You can see it's a Gmail email address, so this is another email of mine. Now in the top right, we have to go to select settings, okay, and let's press on click as we selected the interface to which we want to go. And now as we arrived in the settings, in the left side you can see here blocked addresses, okay, and this is the same menu that we saw on the newest Yahoo Mail and on the classic view. And on the basic mail, you have to get here, paste here the email that you just copy, and press on add. Okay, I just got an error and it says I can't ban my own email addresses. Somehow the system saw it's my own email address. Anyway, if I will type here somebody's email at gmail.com, press on add. Okay, this email has been banned. I mean blocked. Okay, so that's how to block an email address on a Yahoo Mail, on the newest version of Yahoo Mail, on Classic View, and on the oldest available version on the basic mail. Now let's move on a mobile phone to see what options we have there for the mobile users. So that being said, I will use the Yahoo Mail application. You can get this from the App Store if you have an iPhone, and from the Play Store if you use an Android and you don't have the Yahoo Mail application. So that being said, I will open it right now. Okay. And now let's select the email from the top, which I have, and in the bottom right we can see more. Let's press on more, and on the mobile phone, unfortunately, the only option we have is to mark the email as spam. We don't have a clear option to block the email. Okay, so let's press on it. Now on more, the same thing. We can maximum set it as spam, and in this way their emails will get into the spam folder instead of our inbox, but we don't have an option to block on our mobile phones. So this is the only workaround I found for the mobile phone users. If you want to block somebody clearly, you have to use a computer for that. So that being said, I hope this Yahoo Mail tutorial helped you out on how to block someone on Yahoo Mail, how to block an email address on Yahoo Mail to reduce the spam emails. I hope this helps, and thanks a lot for watching.